Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. In this channel, we are diving into some exciting iOS development topics. If you are looking to expand your knowledge of Swift programming or enhance your development skills, you have come to the right place. Let's get started. In today's video, we will walk through the setting up your very first SwiftUI project. Let's take a moment and talk about the SwiftUI Canvas and the live preview features in Xcode. This is where the magic of SwiftUI really shines, allowing you to see your changes in real time. To activate the live preview, just click on the resume button at the top of the canvas. Now, every time you modify your code, whether it's changing a color, adding a text, or tweaking a layout, the preview updates instantly. It's a fantastic way to quickly see how your UI is coming together without having to build and run your app on a device every time. With the live preview, you can also interact with your application just like you would on a real device. It's an invaluable tool for experimenting with layouts and UI elements without the extra steps of compiling and running your application each time. Create a new Xcode project and select app under iOS section. Let's give our product name. I'm calling mine as SwiftUI sample, but feel free to use whatever name you like. Make sure the language is set to Swift and the interface is set to SwiftUI, and hit next and choose your location to save your project and click on create. Now let's explore the SwiftUI canvas and the live preview. I have added some of code, and if you see here over on the right, you'll see a preview of your application. This is the canvas where you'll see your UI as you build it. To start seeing a live preview, click the resume button at the top of the canvas. This will show you a real-time preview of your application as you write code. Here is where the magic happens. As you write Swift code, let's make a simple change to see how the live preview works. In the content view.swift, I have changed the red color to green, and look at that, the canvas updates instantly with our new text color. Here is where the magic happens. As you see and write SwiftUI code, you'll see immediate changes reflected in the preview. It's a great way to quickly test and iterate on your design. As you continue working on your application, the canvas will keep showing you exactly how your interface look like. Now try to change the text when I click on the tap me button and see how that will happen. If I remove the preview, it won't show the live preview at the left. So I have added that preview option here. Then only the content view will show with the real-time updates. And I have taken the state variable with the name Hello Rajeshwari, and I have taken vstack jetstack and the button. When I click on the button with the tap me, it should change the value of Hello Rajeshwari to Hello Swift UI. Let's see, without running the application, the value got changed and we can see that change instantly in the live preview. And that's it for today. You have successfully set up your first SwiftUI project and learn how to use the SwiftUI canvas and live preview. From here, you can start building your apps, user interface, and add functionality by using Swift. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to watch more videos like this. And if you have any questions or ideas for future videos, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.